Today, we are going to explain how to convert raw images
taken with SLAM XCAM into viewable JPG format.
First, we upload the raw images in DNG format to the computer. Next, we open Photoshop PS and then open the raw image we just uploaded. Here, you can perform initial editing on the capture raw images. This includes the ability to adjust settings such as exposure, among others. Later, you need to remember to keep these parameters consistent with those of the other image. Here, you need to make an adjustment to the canvas. Keep the pixels at 1:1 ratio to facilitate subsequent image masking. At this point, you can export the file in JPG format.
You can select the highest quality here, and then just wait for the generation to complete.
Then apply the same processing to the other raw image. The parameters here must be kept consistent with the previous ones. The operation is the same as that for the last image, so we'll fast forward here. Next, we open the software called PTGUI. Select the JPG format images generated just now. Here, select Secure Fisheye for the lens type and set the horizontal field of view HFOV to 180. The source images here can be replaced with images of the same position later. Keep the lens type in the lens settings as circular fisheye. Both the horizontal field of view HFOV and the theoretical one 180. In the panorama settings here, select circular fisheye for the projection. Select a field of view of 180 horizontal * 180 vertical. This is the crucial cropping step or just the position of the dotted line. Keep as much of the image as possible inside the dotted line. Keep it as a circle as much as possible. No subsequent modifications to image parameters, control points, or other related elements are required. Proceed directly to the Query Panorama section. Step here. Maintain the aspect ratio between width and height, then enter 6000. Finally, select the output file location and create the panorama. Here you can see the created panorama. Here, you can save the existing project, solution for easier subsequent image processing. Create a new project here to process the images for the right eye. The operation is the same. We'll fast forward here. When cropping here, you need to crop again due to the left eye and right eye alignment issue. We have obtained panoramic images in this way. At this point, open the Photoshop PS software again. Create a new document here with dimensions of 12,000 pixels times 6,000 pixels. At this point, click File and select Place Embedded Object. Select the image for the left eye and embed it into the layer. Move the image for the left eye to the top left corner. There will be a snap to effect, which indicates the position is correct. At this point, set the X coordinate to 3000. Set the Y coordinate to 3000 and set the width and height to 25%. At this point, the setup for the left eye image is complete. Subsequently, place the image for the right eye in the same way and position it at the top right corner. There will also be a snap to effect dot at this point, and 9,000 for the x-coordinate and 3,000 for the y-coordinate. Set the width and height to 250%, and the cylinder is complete. Finally, export it as a JPG file. Thank you all for watching.